Shalom.
Ribono Shalom.
My name is Rabbi Durani, head of the Financial Support Association.
Avinoam, you can't keep doing this in the office.
Please, call me Rabbi.
Do you have financial issues?
No, my money! Mine! No, it's my money! It's my money! No.
Can't seem to manage your spiritual, physical, psychological, emotional, anthropomorphical issues?
Oh?
Do you drink tea?
I guess so.
If you answered yes to any one of these questions, then I got news for you. Rabbi Durani's financial support may be what you are looking for.
Our humble company began by using the primitive Microsoft Word to manage our finances. Now, 5 years later, our trusted group of employees uses only the best the technological has to offer, the Google Doc.
Fixing financial issues is no walk in the park. La la la! We have helped tens of people with their problems. Just ask our paid actors. Slicha, loyal customers, Jojo Tzedik and Fufu Hamud. Call this number below, Achshav. And if you call in the next 5 years, you will get a free I Love Kel and Hate Meat pin. So call!
This commercial, sponsored by the Kosmaim Chami Vivakasha Foundation, Tadar Abala Avital for funding and scribing this class. Side effects may include nausea, headache, loss of vision, and explosive diarrhea. Ask your doctor if Rabbi Durani's financial support is right for you. Must be 18 years or older to call.
Are you serious? Why are you still looking at me? Look in your books, I am not a supermodel. No. So, I am busy. I have to go embarrass my son. Go.